Hi guys, welcome back to my channels. Today I am like super excited for this video. So for anybody who knows me, I don't have any tattoos yet. I've always wanted one. I am the type of person, I don't want to get one and regret it later in life. I don't want to put anything on me that's permanent and is meaningless, if you know what I mean. So I've never gotten a tattoo, but I want a tattoo so bad. So as you guys have probably already seen, Inkbox is like this new thing where they have semi-permanent tattoos. So I did go ahead and get 2 tattoos that I'm going to test out and I'm going to let you guys see. So this is the packaging it comes in. It does say Inkbox on the back. Voila! Oh, I like this. So this one says temporary bad decisions. And then this one says your body is a canvas. And then on the back of it, it says your story, skin deep. Commitment issues, us too. That's why we made Inkbox. We wanted the look and feel of a tattoo, but knew that our styles, tastes, and opinions were always changing. And that's okay, because real self-confidence comes from embracing who you are at any given moment. Now it's time to tell your own story, skin deep. So now I'm going to open this one. So this is what comes in, and it says let's get inked at the top. So this is the actual tattoo. And then this is all the details. It tells you, so it does say how long will my Inkbox last. And they said that the results varied actually. So it's not 30 days. Some people said less than 6 days. Some people said less than 18 days. Some people said 15 to 17 days. But nobody ever said 30 days. So it literally says that it only lasts from anywhere from 8 to 18 days. So for that, I don't know if it's even worth it. So this tattoo that I got, it says wild hearts run free. And then the second tattoo that I have says breathe. So in the package you do get this little booklet, and it tells you how to apply the actual tattoo. So I like that. And then you get the cloth, the wipe, and the gloves, and then you get your tattoo. So they actually have on the Facebook where you can go through the messenger or through your email, where they link you into their messenger and they show you like gifts on how to actually put the tattoo on.